Incidents that occurred in the past provide evidence of the importance of the right contour settings. Wrong settings have resulted in several groundings because critical shallow waters were not identified by the watchkeeping personnel, and no proper alert was either activated or triggered. Of all safety settings, the safety contour is the most important. Attention should be paid to the safety contour every time when you operate the ECDIS. The default presetting is 30 meters in every ECDIS and should be adjusted according to the procedure established by the company and the discretion of the master. If the contour is crossed by the planned track, or if the vessel is moving towards or across the safety contour, an alarm activated, which indicates that an area has been entered where UKC might have been violated. We have to mention that ECDIS is also adjustable on a shade schemes. It may display ENC in 2 or 4 shade scheme. When a 2 shade scheme is activated, depth areas are displayed in 2 colors. Areas of depth lower than safety contour are shown in blue in the day color code, and safe and navigable areas in white. On ECDIS, only the available depth contours can be displayed in ENCs, which are defined by the chart producing hydrographic office. If an enter contour value is between 2 available contours, the next higher value will be assumed by the ECDIS. Talking about safety contour, you need to understand that your ECDIS system can assist in the graphical presentation of navigable waters by using various depth contours to separate safe waters from non-navigable waters. You should set a safety contour value close to your vessel's maximum draft and according to your company navigational policy. The safety contour is displayed on your chart as a great bold line, separating navigable from non-navigable waters. The route check and alarm features will use this separation between navigable and non-navigable waters for alarm functionality. Furthermore, the overall display feature changes according to the safety contour values. The safety contour display can only use depth contours already available in the chart. If you set a safety contour value of 8 meters and this contour is not available in your chart, the 10-meter safety contour will be displayed and used for triggering contour alarms. The 8-meter value is still used by the ECDIS for other alarm and display function, such as how to treat and display isolated dangers. The safety contour should not be set to a value less than the calculated, even though it leads to a higher contour value indicated on the chart. If the 4 shades depth scheme is activated, shallow and deep contour need to be defined, and the color pattern of the water areas is subdivided into more areas. It is recommended to set the shallow contour equal to the draft of the vessel plus an adequate squat value. In other words, it will indicate areas in which the vessel will run aground without the adverse factors that were included in the safety contour. This area is colored dark blue. The deep contour should be set to a value twice the vessel's dynamic draft, so that she can then run at full speed without being affected by obvious hydrodynamic effects.